Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Checking back in on the biotech sector, if you've been watching these videos the past 2 weeks have been perfect for technical analysis and utilizing supports and resistances, playing it in both directions, and we have LABU and LABD, the 3 times leveraged ETFs to play it in both directions. So here's IBB. We got the breakout, clear break above resistance. We got the consolidation after that breakout, and now we've got the bounce off the 10-day moving average support and consolidation off the bounce. So 4 directions we've played, and it's worked out well in each way. I played LABU early this week. I played LABD today. So let's look at the specifics. IBB and the biotechs are holding the 10-day moving average support. That shows strength. What you want to be watching here is anytime you have a breakout or a breakdown, the price does a little bit of bouncing back and forth. I call it reaching an equilibrium. That's where we get our first support level. We set a lower high. I anticipate pulling back, setting a higher low, a tightening range on decreasing volume before a clear breakout. Now here on IBB, we're going to have the 100-day moving average resistance, 287.22, and the 10-day moving average support, 277.62, act as our converging range here. So a close above the 100-day will signal a bullish break, and a close below the 10-day will signal a bearish break. Weekly time frame, still can't get over that middle Bollinger Band, need to keep updating that level as well. 284.44, rejecting the price, and we can see that lines up a bit below this 100-week moving average. So if we get above the 100-week, we'll get above the weekly resistance as well. Let's look at XBI, which is the biotech sector spider. This is the one I used to compare to the S&P 500 right before that breakout happened. So here it's a tighter range, so maybe XBI is going to give us a little bit of an early indication of the direction we're going to break. So this is why I would look at XBI, and you could really, it's drawing the trend lines for you here, the support and resistance. So we're tight, 55.69 support, 57.23 resistance, and we're going to get a breakout or a breakdown out of that level, I would say by Tuesday at the latest. Weekly time frame, also seeing middle Bollinger Band resistance. We did close 8 cents above it actually, so that's technically support. We'll see if we can hold that middle Bollinger Band support next week. So LABU as well. 3 times leveraged ETF, holding the 10-day moving average support, 2 candlesticks in a row of indecision, and it's really going to be up to XBI. That's the one you want to watch. And then based on that information, you can play LABU or LABD. And that's because of that very clear channel, very tight, going to be a really clear break when it does happen. So we'll keep checking in. If you've been following these videos, you've likely done well this week. Biotech certainly giving opportunity in both directions. So I appreciate you watching. Have a great week. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.